Inside the system. Section 1. Technical specifications. Read the advertisement and translate the technical specifications into your own language. Dell Spyron 9200. Intel Core 2 Duo processor at 2.4 gigahertz. (2048 megabyte RAM, random access memory, expandable to 4 gigabytes, 500 gigabyte hard drive, comes with Windows Vista Home Premium. Now we have some questions. Answer these questions. What is the main function of a computer's processor? What is the main function of a computer's processor? This is how we answer the question. The main function of a computer's processor is the main function of a computer's processor. Right, we have that. Next, the verb right here is the main function of a computer's processor is. What do you think is the main function of a computer's processor? Can you answer this question? The main function of a computer's processor is processing data and information. What is the main function of a computer's processor? Okay, ready for number 2? What unit of frequency is used to measure processor speed? Gigahertz. Gigahertz. So, like this. Gigahertz is the unit of frequency used to measure Processor speed. Excellent warm-up. Gigahertz is the unit of frequency used to measure processor speed. Number 3. What does RAM stand for? RAM. What does RAM stand for? Random access memory. RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. So, answer these questions in your notebook and practice answering questions in English. Write your answer, complete answer, and practice the pronunciation.